Okay. This is Reglita, okay? Reglita, she's been working into the cigar world more than 50 years. She started to work into the factories. ¿En qué fábrica? In La Corona factory, and later she started to work with me in the Meliaco hotel where we have a cigar Havana's house. And now she retired from there and she comes here to show how the cigar is made. As you haven't gone to Pinar del Rio, you know Pinar del Rio is the province in Cuba, in the world where the best cigars plantations are, okay? I'll show you here, over there where there is the flag, Cuban flag. I have a small humidor, I'll show you in the Cuban map where is Pinar del Rio and other things about cigars. And over there in the bar, you will see the photo of very famous American personalities that like Cuban cigars, and mostly all of them have been here in Cuba. You will see over there. And here you will see also, you can sit over there in that table. You can take the chairs and sit here. Come on, feel comfortable. Take the chairs and you can sit there. This is a Domino's table. You know what Domino's is?
Pizza.
Domino's pizza? No. In this case, it's our Cuban national table game because you know we are not allowed to play all the kind of legally things, and so people play dominoes. When there is a blackout, people go outside to the streets, go outside into the yards, they play dominoes, drink rum, and they are resilient because there are two options. Or you do this or you kill yourself. And dying is not an option.
Or drink.
Okay? Do it all in the same moment. Okay, so.
Dominoes because other games would be illegal?
Yeah, yes. No. For example, chess, all these table games you can play, but you cannot play poker. Yeah, gambling. No gambling. Yes.
There's always one.
Yes, sí, abre la muchacha. Ven, Gabriela. Gabriela. No, deja la música. Ven un momentito, ven. Gabriela, one of my ladies that she's going to explain today everything related to cigar. Ahí va.
Mi niña, adelante, al lado mío. Ahí, me gusta.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, the cigar is made up to 5 leaves.
Como siempre.
Yes. So I want you to pass around this leaf. So I will go. She doesn't see me. Okay. So. Y dame la. So the one that you're having in your hand right now is one of the leaves that goes inside the cigar. The cigar inside has 5 leaves, which one is ligero. Ligero is for the strength, volado is for combustion, and seco is for smell. So, and now I want you to touch this one, which is the rubber. As you can see the difference.
Which one's the red?
Yes. The rubber, the other one, the one that has more elasticity, which is the leaf that you see outside the cigar.
And this goes on the inside?
Yes, exactly, because that one is right under the sun.
So is this the filler or is this the binder?
What?
Is this the binder or the filler?
The banger.
That's the one in the
It's
middle.
on the inside, yes. That's the one in the side. As you can see, it's more dry. Yes, because that one, those leaves are harvested under the sun, and then the other one, the rubber, you take it to a house like that.
Yep.
Yes, and uncover fields. And you can see she rolls the 3 leaves inside, and then it comes the capote, which is also harvested under the sun, and it's the one that rolls all those leaves together. And then she puts it in a binder. And then she puts it in a binder so they get the shape. And then, as you can see right now, she's rolling it. She's putting the cover, the rubber. And the glue that she's using is also completely natural. It comes from the trunk of the tree. It's like a glucose. Yes, yes, exactly. It has it has no smell, no taste, nothing. That's why it's very safe for cigars. And also, sácale la. Yes. And also another difference between cigars and cigarettes is that the cigars doesn't have much quantity of nicotine. As you can see now, she's taking off the vein that contains the most quantity of nicotine that is used then in the cigars. Or also the grandmas, they used to put it in a bottle of alcohol and they use it for lices in the head for children. Yes, yes, that's a, as you can see here. Yes, it's a Cuban recipe.
That's why you guys are all happy.
Well, probably. And now she's putting the rubber there, as you can see. Yes, it's a very interesting process. Everything is natural since the seed is planted in the soil till it gets to your hand. No chemistry, no nothing. It takes 2 years. 2 years. It has like almost 500 pasos, no? Well, since it takes has like 500 steps for the cigar. First they plant the seed, then they have to collect the leaves and all the process. Then they select the leaves that are good, and then they take it to the factories and the cigars are rolled. All of that, it takes almost 2 years. Yes. 2 years. 2 years, yes. It's a long process because it's it's an art. So, I'm gonna give the cigar to you. It's a present. Yes, you can smoke it. I recommend to let it rest por 2 días. Sería mejor que se esperara 2 días para fumárselo, o sea, se lo puedes fumar.
Si deseas, se lo puede fumar hoy
Yes,
o
if you
mañana.
want, you can smoke it today or tomorrow. Yes, but tomorrow I think it's
Si
gonna
no
be
se lo va a
better.
fumar para volvérselo.
Sí. She's gonna wrap it. So if you have any questions about the
So,
cigar.
we're from New England and Connecticut, Windsor, shade
Yes,
tobacco.
I heard that. I heard there are some tobacco farms there already.
And it's supposedly they ship those outer leaves to Cuba.
No, all the leaves are harvested here. No,
No, they used
before
to.
the embargo, no.
When I was a kid, I
No,
used to
no.
tobacco.
The Cuban cigars are completely made up from Cuban. There's no because it's not because I'm Cuban, but the best soil for cigars is